Okay, let's get out there. Come on, Megs. Come on. Well, I can't see out of my window, or my door, I should say. There's snow all over the inside here. And I couldn't get out the side door this morning, so I had to let the dog out this way. Come on, let's go. Come on. And that's where she went to the bathroom. We've got about 18.5 inches. Come on, Max, let's go. That I have to try and shovel, so we're going to see how this goes. Okay, I have to put on my glove here. See how deep it is. Well, it's about up to my knees. Oh my God, I can't believe I have to shovel all of this. Come on, Meg. Come on. No, God. She is not going to be able to walk through this. I can barely walk through this. It's higher than she is. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to rely on my neighbors with their snowblower because I am not strong enough to do this. Come on, Meg, let's go. Come on. Not coming. Okay. I noticed that my side door, oh my God. You can't see anything. It's up to, it's over my knees. Oh my God, we're at the end of my driveway. And the dog is still looking at me and not moving. The car looks fine. It's just the drift. Oh my, I'm sweating like, I am sweating already, and I've been out here for 64 seconds. Okay. And let's see here. I drift up. Here she comes. Come on, Meg. Oh God. The poor thing. As I sit and I laugh at her. Well, come on! The drift along the side here. Oh, it must be 2 feet of snow with the drifting. And the dog is still coming. Okay, let me get the side of the car's fine. This is the door that I couldn't get out this morning. Unbelievable. Oh my God, I'm sweating right now. So I'll give you a look at the backyard. The drift is all the way up the fence over there. And it is so windy. So here we go. I don't know how I'm going to plow this out. Top of the garbage cans. So I got to go see if the dog is finding her way okay, that she's not stuck. And here she comes. Mega! I'll go and try and rescue her. Look how deep this is. Well, nope. Now she's really stuck. Come on, you can do it. Well, actually, I'm not sure if you can do it. Come on. That's the way. Pretty stuck. All right, I got to go find a shovel.